All right, so a quick video of replacing the visor on a Highlander. So why am I even making this video? If you're like me, you check YouTube for stuff, and at first I called into the dealer, and it sounded like it was going to be like $500, basically, more or less, to replace this. $300 for the parts, plus an hour for labor. So then I went to Amazon, saw that I could get, an aftermarket replacement for, I don't know what it was, $40. If you got a couple screwdrivers in 10 minutes, you can do it yourself. It's like the first thing I'm going to have to do is get off this cap, which I think is just pressure fit on there. Let's take a look. There's just a couple plastic tabs on there. You can pry it off with a flathead. There, just literally pops off. You can see it split, so you can expand it and pop it off. And now it looks like it's just these two screws to take off. All right, so got the two screws out. Then this looks like this is part of the old visor. Looks like that just pops out. Let's see what the other one looks like. There's the new one, still in the plastic bag. Connection looks correct. Let's tear it up and see if it works. Now, I was very careful to keep this clip part because I figured it didn't come with it. But it actually does come with you can get it off if you need to. It's going to make it easier to access the screws. I think I probably will do that real quick. There, that's off. Now let's put the sucker in. Okay, so you can see the little tabs right there. So you can see the longer part that goes in. And then those two tabs are going to go right in there and there. Whoops, I can't see where I'm pointing there. So let's put that in and make sure it makes a connection. I can't overstate how simple this was, so if you're sitting on this, just go ahead, buy it, and get it done. Clip that in, clip both sides in when you are attempting to finish screwing it in, so you can get it in there nice and tight before you put the new clip, which is a bit... So when you're putting this part back on, you can orient the visor so it's on an angle so you can reach it in there. But overall, super easy. All right, good luck. Make sure all your connections work, so when you do it, the light should come on. Slide it open, slide it closed. Good luck. I hope this helped you out. Good luck. Cool.